Hi, I'm Eric, the service manager here at Blair's AC. I'll be going over some of the key parts, functions, and warning signs that every AC owner should know about. The best thing you can do to keep your AC running smoothly is to stay informed and know when to call in a pro. Let's talk about your AC's condenser coil and its function. The condenser coil is located on your outdoor piece of equipment. It is there to extract heat and to remove heat from the space inside the house. If the condenser coil is dirty or corroded or has damage due to it, it is not going to allow the system to run properly or efficiently. It will then cause the system to not reach temperature and not cool your space. Give us a call so we can come out, take a look at that, and make sure we get it taken care of for you.